everybody, today we're gonna make homemade ice cream. And it's NeriEli. And she's Nariah and she's Eliana. And yeah, so let's get started. So first, we need 1 cup of whole milk. It's right here. 1/4 cup of ice cream salt, but you can use regular salt. The salt is right here. 4 cups of ice. 1 teaspoon of vanilla right here. Vanilla. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar makes everything taste good. Next, we need a gallon ziplock bag and a quart ziplock bag for all the ingredients to make ice cream. So let's get started. So in this bag, we're gonna put milk, vanilla, and sugar. Be careful, this can get heavier and heavier. I'm gonna put the vanilla extract. And make sure you ask your parents' permission to make the ice cream. Now we're gonna put the sugar. And now we're gonna close it. Make sure you take all the air out. We're gonna shake it together. Now we need our gallon ziplock bag and put the ice and the ice cream salt in it. Okay, be careful. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use my hands. And we're almost done. Just take out the small ice, and we're done. So now we're gonna put the salt, the ice cream salt. Yeah, the ice cream salt. It's like rocks. Now we're gonna take the ingredients and put it inside. Can you help me, sister, with that? Yeah, sure. Okay, so my sister went to get socks, and yeah, because her hands will like freeze, and I'm not getting socks because I have these. Okay, so we're gonna wait for my sister. So yeah, I don't want socks. Okay, just in case. Okay. And next we need socks because this is gonna be really freezing in your hand, guys. It will get very messy freezing. Okay, now we're gonna take the bag and we're gonna shake it and then pass it to each other. And we're gonna shake it with everything. Hands up! Okay, so we're gonna pause because the bag broke. I believe another bag. Now we got a different bag because it had a hole in it. It was so huge. So let's go back to what we're doing. Shaking your ice cream, you're gonna take it out your bag and it should look like this. You take a spoon and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. That's good. Very yummy, guys. Super good, guys. It tastes like real ice cream. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. And please subscribe to our channel, so bye! And you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is how I spell it. NeriEli. No spaces. Twins. And TWINS. Thanks for watching. Bye! The after party is the